Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss tea video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 2 pounds in 2 days. And as you drink this tea, you're going to be losing 2 pounds, okay, in 2 days. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need for this video. Okay, first you're going to need a pot on the stove. Next, you're going to need 2 cups of filtered water. And I'm going to start by putting that into my pot, just to start the boiling process. You're also going to need some lemongrass, cinnamon stick, organic honey, piece of ginger root, about an inch, 2 inches, inch and a half of ginger root, as well as a lemon. Okay, so you're going to need a measuring spoon and your juicer. So to start this off, I'm going to start off by putting 1 tablespoon of my lemongrass into my pot. Now lemongrass is a wonderful aid for weight loss, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a bunch of dry sticks. These are pretty big. Okay, next I'm going to use 1 of my cinnamon stick. Pop that in there as well. Next you're going to take your ginger root as well. You know, cut that up into small pieces, or if anything, you can grate it. I like the grating better because you get more of the juice extracts from it. But if you chop it up really fine, you will also get a lot of juice from your ginger root. Okay, I'm just going to add that into my pot as well. Okay, and now I'm going to cover it and boil it for at least 10 minutes on a low to medium simmer. And then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. And the tea is finished steeping and it's cooler, and all you have to do now is just strain it. So now what you have to do is just juice half a lemon. Okay, and then sweeten with your honey, about a teaspoon. And that's it, you guys. Drink this every day in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, you can drink this up to 2 to 3 times for the day. And this is going to help you to lose 2 pounds in 2 days. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below for the links for my eBay store, where you will find some powerful honeys that is herbal and it's really good. I have for both men and women. Okay, check down below. Also check for the full size and the personal size NutriBullet blenders, as well as these wonderful metal straws. Okay, also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty care videos, and more over there. Okay, so you guys, until the next time, don't forget your auntie and your big sis loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.